Before we get into the video, a couple of safety things we must go through. So first thing, unplug the machine from the power supply. Isolate that plug so nobody else can plug it back in while you're working on it. Wear some safety gloves because inside the machine is some very sharp edges. And lastly, if you're not confident doing this, contact your local repair agent to help you out. Right, so in this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace an oven door seal. So if you've got issues with hot air escaping past your oven, past your door and into your room, and as long as the door and the hinges are okay, then the door seal itself is the most likely culprit for that. And it is generally, in most cases, quite an easy thing to remove and replace. So we'll try and demonstrate that now for you. Right, so for the most part, think of it as a glorified elastic band with 4 hooks in each corner, all the way around. And on the cabinet itself, there's kind of 4 holes in each corner that these little metal hooks fit into. So we're going to start by pushing it into one hole in the corner. And it's not uncommon for it to jump out while you're just stretching it in. And again on that side. So that is how you remove and replace an oven door seal.